Yo, what's up guys? This is Raf and welcome back. So definitely it's the start of the phone season. So with last week Pixel announcement, this week Samsung just have their own event and they have announced the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. These folding phones really looks promising and more enticing than ever. And I think they can also succeed in the mainstream, especially with the Flip 3 reducing its price. So here is why. So both folding phones improve a lot with their new design. They are smaller, lighter, and thinner. They have both improved their hinge and a massive increase in durability. The first underscreen camera on a Galaxy, and it supports for the S Pen for the Z Fold 3. They will have both the strongest aluminum frame, and both will have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for their exterior glass for protection. And their main screen is made of Samsung Ultra Thin glass, and Samsung claim it's 80% more durable than before. And lastly, they will have both water resistance, and this is the part that I'm really surprised that they're able to get it with IPX8 rating. So there's no dust resistance, unfortunately. Dust is still the number one enemy of folding phones, especially with their hinge. It's really amazing how Samsung was able to have it water resistance for this folding phone, as we know that it have a lot of moving mechanism. So they have the first underscreen camera on a Galaxy phone, and it's on the Fold 3. We have seen some Chinese phone try to experiment on this innovation, and most of them are still, let's just say, not that good yet. It's the same with Samsung. It's their first generation of underscreen camera, so expect it not to be perfect. First, it's only a 4 megapixel, and second, you can still clearly see the camera, especially if you have light wallpapers. So it's more like a translucent underscreen camera. The quality is not that great, but it's a great first step. Then the S Pen. So mostly it's synonymous with the Galaxy Note series. Recently they have added it on the S21 Ultra this year, and now they've added also on the Fold series too. For me, yes, it's a good step to add it on the Fold series since it's better to use an S Pen on a larger screen or canvas. Since this is a foldable phone, so they will have an exclusive S Pen for Fold series since their screen is a little bit different from the usual smartphones. So here are the specs for the Z Fold 3. And here are the specs for the Z Flip 3. So overall, I'm excited with these new folding phones. There are a lot of improvements they've added, they have made it more durable than before, and I really like that they've added water resistance. They've lessened the price of the Flip 3 from $1,299 to $999. So for me, it's really a good deal for that price if we talk about folding phones. And this could be the year that the folding phones could go to mainstream. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always take care. Peace out.